Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we will learn Python type hints and generics, basic annotations, optional, union, TypeVar, protocol, overload, and gradual typing strategy. Type hints make your code self-documenting and catch bugs before runtime. Basic type annotations use colon for parameters and arrow for return types. Definite greet name :str, arrow str. Python does not enforce these at runtime, they are metadata for tools. Use mypy or pyright to statically check types in your code. Optional, union, and any handle flexible types. Optional of str means the value can be str or none. In Python 3.10+, you can write str pipe none instead. Union of int and str means the value can be either type. Any is the escape hatch, it's compatible with everything but disables type checking. Generic types parameterize containers. List of int means a list that should contain only integers. Dict of str and float means string keys with float values. Tuple of int, str, float is a fixed-length tuple with typed positions. Tuple of int, ellipsis means a variable-length tuple of all integers. TypeVar creates a type variable for generic functions and classes. T equals TypeVar T. Then definite first, sequence of T, returns T. The same T binds consistently if input is list of int, output is int. You can constrain TypeVar to specific types or set an upper bound. Protocol from typing enables structural subtyping, also called static duck typing. Define a protocol class with method signatures. Any class that has matching methods satisfies the protocol automatically. No inheritance needed, just matching structure. This is Python's answer to Go-style interfaces. The @overload decorator declares multiple type signatures for one function. You write overloaded stubs with @overload, each with different parameter and return types. Only the non-decorated implementation actually runs. This helps mypy narrow the return type based on what arguments you pass.
Annotating a function and running mypy. Definite greet, name :str, times :int equals 1, returns str greet of alias, 3 works fine. But greet of 42, mypy flags this as an error, expected str, got int. The error is caught at development time, not at runtime. Building a generic stack class. T equals TypeVar T, class stack of generic T, push takes item :T, pop returns T, stack of int ensures only integers can be pushed. If you try to push a string into stack of int, mypy reports an error. Protocol for duck typing. Class-sized extends protocol with ___ returning int. Definite print _size takes obj :sized. You can pass a list, string, or any object that has ____, no inheritance needed. The protocol checks structural compatibility, not class hierarchy. TypedDict for JSON-like dictionaries. Class user extends TypedDict with name :str, age :int, email :str. Now mypy knows exactly which keys are valid and their types. Accessing user bracket phone is flagged because phone is not in the TypedDict. This is perfect for typing API responses and configuration dicts. Gradual typing migration strategy. Step 1. Start with mypy strict mode or new modules only. Step 2. Annotate public API functions first, they matter most. Step 3. Use reveal_type for debugging and typeignore for stubborn spots. Step 4. Gradually increase strictness as your coverage grows. You don't need 100% coverage on day 1.
Key tips to remember. Type hints are not enforced at runtime. Use mypy or pyright to check them. Use street pipe none in Python 3.10 plus instead of optional. Protocol enables static duck typing without inheritance. Start gradual typing with public APIs first and grow incrementally. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.